Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Tactical Trio. Joshua here. Hey, today we're going to be talking about something that's overlooked, I think, all the time. Now, a lot of times when you buy a new pistol, you'll receive multiple back straps. And what are back straps? Well, back straps are what go onto the back of your pistols. They literally attach to your grip module, changing the way your pistol feels in your hand. Now, a lot of people dismiss these. They leave them in their gun bag or whatever, the box that they purchased their firearm. But I highly recommend that you try them out and see which one best fits your hands, because what it's going to do is only improve your shooting and your comfort. So come on in. I'm going to show you the few simple tools that you need in order to make this change. It's very easy. And again, you got to try it. You got to do it. And you're going to get better with your shooting. One thing that you need is this punch set. This is something that I got off of Amazon. This is not a paid plug. I'll leave the link down in the description if you want to get this exact toolkit. But this is a hammer and punch that you're going to need. It comes with a little block, which I thought was cool, so that way you can rest your firearm on that in order to punch out these little pins. And here we go. We got a little punch. We got a little hammer. It's quite simple. So first things first, on the back strap of the SIG P365 X-Macro, you're going to see a little pin at the base of the grip here. That's essentially all that holds on the back strap. Once you remove that pin, it slides right down. Now, after talking with the manufacturer, you can take the pin out left or right. It doesn't matter. It's not going to do any damage to the grip, just so you know. Some pins are easier to remove than others. For this example, you may be able to push the pin out manually by just taking your punch and pushing, like I just did. That one was fairly simple. If you can't get it out like that, then you put your punch directly on top of it, and then you just slightly tap it free. So here we go. We got our punch, 3mm punch. Go directly over the pin, push it straight down, and you see how the pin just fell from the base of the pistol there. And this is what it's going to look like. Now, what's cool about this little kit too, guys, if you don't have the dexterity or you're not able to hold on to that little pin, it comes with a little pin holder. So essentially, if you want to line it back up, you can hold it like that. Makes it a little easier. Anyhow, you have 3 different back straps. The one that comes with the gun, you're going to see that this one is drastically larger right here. It's a lot fatter. And then this one's probably mid-size. It's got a little bit of a hump back there. But you could see that where your palm would rest into that, and it would be that much more comfortable potentially. So you don't know unless you try. We went ahead and removed this pin. Now all you have to do is pull the back strap straight down. And this is going to remove this back strap off the firearm. Now to reapply or to add another, you just put it flush with the back of the firearm and push it straight up. And now your new back strap has been added to the firearm. What I like to do is put all of these on and just feel how they feel, because one of them is going to feel better than the other. And again, you may even want to shoot them and test them out. I'm kind of liking the meatier grip. I think that feels pretty nice right there. Again, it's all about preference, and you wouldn't think something so insignificant would matter, but that little curvature could make your grip that much better, therefore make you that much better of a shooter. So what I'm going to do is I went ahead and changed it out from this grip to the little bit larger hump on the back of here. And what I got, I'm going to put this back on the block here that comes with my little punch kit. All right, so what I'm going to do now that I have my new grip back strap installed, I'm going to take my plastic pin here. And again, it doesn't matter which way you go. And I'm going to just slightly start to push this down. And I'll take my little hammer and then gently get it close to the grip. Now, once you're close to the grip, obviously you don't want to be damaging your module. So just take your punch, put it directly on top of the pin, okay? And then give it a couple little taps. Shouldn't take a lot. And right there, oh, maybe a little bit more. I think that's it. I almost felt it kind of click into place. Yeah, see there? So now we got our pin in place. We got our new grip backstrap installed. And honestly, it takes you about 30 seconds realistically to do this. Hey guys, that's as simple as 1, 2, 3. It should only take you about 30 seconds once you break down your firearm. But if you like this tip, make sure you give a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. What's your thoughts? Do you actively test your different backstraps with your firearms? Well, if not, hey, you can even order these aftermarket to see if it'll better increase and help your grip. So don't skimp on that. I know it seems insignificant, but I guarantee you it'll help you on the range and it'll help you with your shooting. Hey, until next time guys, I'll see you on the range.